Okay, gang, we're back. You don't know how to roll your electric vehicle charging cable. And here's why. You normally do it what we call over rolling. This is what happens. When you take it out, it ends up twisting all over the place because you rolled it normally and you do this. And then you gotta, this is how most people will roll their cables and roll their garden hoses and things. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the over-under technique, which is used in sound, people run sound and things like that, or when you have a long electric charging cable. Okay, we straighten this out. This is not too bad. So here's how we're gonna do the over-under. We're gonna start with our hands facing down. And we're gonna do the first roll just like you normally do. That's the over. We're gonna come back over here, palms facing down, but we're gonna turn our palms up. You see when we're turning in, especially the bottom hand, we're gonna roll this one underneath and grab right there. That's the under. So we're gonna do it again. Over, just bring your hands together, come back, and we're gonna go under. Palms up and bring it in. One more time, over, and then that's it. And what happens when you do this and you unroll it, everything's straight. You don't start kinking your cable at all. Right? Just gonna do this a couple more times. One more time. Over, under, over, under. That's how you wrap your electric vehicle charging cable.